Hey everyone, it's Ryan Grimes here from My IT&D. So October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and as an IT service provider or an MSP, we have three areas we focus on with businesses regarding technology. The first area is the user. The second area is the laptop or the device that they use. And the third area is the cloud. What do they connect to once they're utilizing business technology in your business? So this video is about the first area, which is the user. All right, let's be honest. Human beings kind of suck at this. Like, we have grown up in an age, some of us, where this cybersecurity didn't exist. Like even the internet didn't exist. And now you've got young kids that have been using cell phones since they could walk. So you've got these two different skill sets of individuals working at your company. And how do you keep them safe? Well, the first thing you have to do is make sure that the user can't do the bad things. Well, what does that mean? We have different layers of security we put on the computers, which is another video, but we also have user training and user understanding of how to use technology and what to look for when something bad is about to happen. And just to know that, hey, this link is probably not legit, or this email is probably not legit, or these things, this invoice coming in from this client we work with is probably not legitimate, and understanding that they have to make a phone call. They have to actually talk to the person who sent them the email and then figure out what's going on. So human beings need to be trained on these things. Using a computer is not like watching TV. It's like driving a car. You have to pay attention to what you're doing and where you're going. And my IT&D works with companies to make sure that their users understand that these are things that can happen in the world, and you need to protect your users 24/7, 365. This is Ryan Grimes from My IT&D.